Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update EV monitoring rules in EV Notify app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the EV Notify app on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the monitoring rules section. Select monitoring rules to view your current rules. To edit an existing rule, tap on the specific rule you want to modify. Review the parameters of the selected rule. Make the necessary adjustments to the values or conditions. If you want to create a new rule, look for the Add New Rule option. Tap on Add New Rule to begin setting up your new monitoring criteria. Enter the desired parameters for the new rule. Ensure all required fields are filled out correctly. Once you are satisfied with your changes, locate the Save button. Tap Save to apply your updates. Wait for a confirmation message that indicates the changes have been saved successfully. Exit the Settings menu to return to the main dashboard. Your updated monitoring rules are now in effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.